In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email to the Safe Sender list in Microsoft Outlook 365. This is a quick way to make sure important messages don't end up in junk. I'll show you how to do it in the new Outlook and Outlook on the web, and then in the classic desktop app. Let's start with new Outlook or Outlook on the web. Open the new Outlook app, or sign into Outlook in your browser. Look for the settings gear icon, usually in the upper right. Select it, then choose Mail, and open the Junk Email section. Here, you'll see a section called Safe Senders and Domains. Click the option to add a safe sender. Type the exact email address you want to trust, or enter an entire domain if you want to allow all senders from that company. Using a domain tells Outlook to treat anything from that domain as safe, while adding a single address is more targeted. When you've typed it carefully, select OK, and then click Save. Don't skip the Save button, this is what actually applies your change. If you're unsure which to add, start with a single address to keep things precise, and make sure there are no extra spaces or typos. Now let's switch to the classic Outlook desktop app. On the Home tab, find the Junk group on the ribbon and choose Junk, then select Junk Email Options. In the window that opens, go to the Safe Senders tab. Click Add, enter the email address you want to allow, then select OK. To commit the change, click Apply. This ensures Outlook treats messages from that sender as trusted and keeps them out of junk. If you prefer broader coverage and you're confident in the source, you can add a domain here as well, but only do that when you trust all mail from that domain. A couple of quick reminders to keep things smooth. The Safe Senders list is case insensitive, but accuracy matters, so double check what you type. If you don't immediately see the effect, give it a moment. New messages from that sender should start landing in your inbox without being filtered. And if you work across devices, remember that changes in new Outlook or the web reflect in the cloud, while classic Outlook settings are local to that profile. That's it. You've added a sender to your safe list in both versions of Outlook 365, keeping the messages you care about front and center. Thanks for watching.